Hi friends, today we are starting 7th standard South America, land of Andes. In this unit, we are learning a location, extension, and physical setting, rivers and lakes, climate, natural vegetation, wild animal, agriculture, and livestock rearing. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. Fourth largest continent in the world. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. First and second, first Asia, second South Africa, third North America, and fourth is South America. It is a part of Latin America. When Christopher Columbus reached the continent around 1498 AD, he mistook it for India. Who is reached in that? Christopher Columbus. He thought it is a India and called brown colored natives as a red Indians. Soon the European, Spanish and Portuguese flooded the continent. South America is the land of superlatives with the Andes and the Amazon forest. Over a quarter of the world's known copper reserves are found here. It is the world's largest producer of coffee. It is popularly called hollow land and land of grassland. It is popularly called hollow land and land of grassland. The study of South America helps us to know various geographical and economic features of the continent. First of all, we are learning location, extent, and the physical setting. Location. The continent lies mainly in the southern hemisphere. A small portion is found in the northern hemisphere. The equator and the Tropic of the Capricorn pass through the continent. It is an inverted triangle in shape. Border in the north and tapas towards the south. Its latitudinal and the longitudinal extent is 12 degree north to 56 degree south latitudes and 35 degree west to 81 degree west longitude. Look at the picture yourself, you understand the South America extent and physical setting of this location where it is situated. The continent of South America is located in the western hemisphere. Physically setting, the continent is surrounded by a water bodies on all sides except in the north. In the north, the Panama Canal separates South America from North America. Its Panama Canal separated the both South America and North America. Otherwise, these two continents will be continuously hanging. The Caribbean Sea border, the north and north, the Atlantic Ocean is in the east and northeast. The Pacific Ocean lies in the west and the south is bordered by the icy water of Antarctica. Extent. The land area of South America is about 178.6 lakh square kilometer and it is 3.5 times bigger than India. It is bigger than how much? 3.5 times. There are 13 countries in this continent. Brazil is the largest and the French Guiana is the smallest country. All the countries of the South America have coastal lines except Bolivia and Paraguay. Landlocked countries. Chile is a linear country. Why? It is the edge of the west side of the South America. Panama Canal 1912 is the major ocean route between North America and South America. Ecuador, a country named after the equator. Argentina and Brazil are the famous for soccer games. Soccer means football. Brazil held Olympic meet 2016. Venezuela is famous for Angel Falls and petroleum. It is the so lengthiest falls in the world. Which one? That is Angel Falls. Physical features. South America has a spectacular topographical features. It has the mountains with snow covered peaks and the dense equatorial forest. The continent has rich fertile plain lands as well as dry wasteful deserts. The major physical division of the continent are the Andes Mountain, the Eastern Highlands, the Central Lowland, the Western Coastal Plains. Type mainly, that is the Andes Mountains, Eastern Highland, the Central Lowland and Western Coastal Plains. In the first one, the Andes Mountain. This is the longest mountain range in the world, running to a distance of 6,440 km long along the Pacific coast. Many earthquakes and volcanoes are found in the belt due to its presence in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Mount Akon Mount Aconcagua, 6,960 meter Argentina-Chile border, is the highest peak in the mountain range. Other peaks are coming Mount Chimborazo and Chimborazo and in the Ecuador, and Mount Copacabana. The Andes are rich in the mineral like copper and tin. Second one, the Eastern Highlands. This region compares two distinct highlands. First one is the Guyana Highlands in the north, and the second one the Brazilian Highlands in the south. These are made up of old rocks like a Deccan Plateau of India. River Churan, a tributary of the Orinoco, has the form the world highest waterfall, that is the Angel Falls, 974 meter in the Guyana Sea. Look at the picture of this falls, Angel Falls. It is the 974 meter height waterfalls. It is the world's highest waterfalls. Which one? Angel Falls. It is in South America. Which river it is from? The river Churn, a tributary of. Third one, the Central Lowlands. The Central Lowlands lies between the Andes Mountain and the Eastern Highlands. These consist of large river basins. They are the Amazon, the Orinoco and La Plata river basins. The Amazon basin is the most notable and largest among them. The Orinoco River forms the plain lands in the northern part, which is separated by the Guyana Highlands from the Amazon basin, Grana Chaco, the hunting land. Which one is? The Amazon basin, Grana Chaco is the hunting land. It is the vast lowland of alluvium area found in the east of the Andes, and it is famous for grazing in south central parts of South America. Grazing for animals, it is useful for these lands. Which one? The Central Lowlands. The west coastal plains, these are the narrow plains found between the Pacific Ocean and the Andes mountain range. The west coast is almost devoid of coastal plains except the patches because the Andes mountain are raised steeply from the coast narrow. Coastal plains are found in central Chile and Colombia along the west coast. The coastline is indented, broken. Many big cities lies in the coastal plains. There are many islands and southern parts is Falkland, Hornos Land, but Galapagos lies in the west of South America. These are many big cities coming in the the coastal plains, and river and lakes. The Amazon female warrior Parana, Uruguayo, and Paraguay and the Orinoco are the important of the South America. The Amazon, 6,450-kilometer river which rises in the Andes, is the longest in South America and the largest river in the world. Largest river in the world. It is which one? Amazon river. It is then navigable to great extent along its course. The Orinoco is the another important river system. The combined river system of Parana and Uruguay is called La Plata. Lake Titicaca, Bolivia, is the highest lake in the world and it is the largest navigable lake of South America. Lake Junin, Lake Sorococha of Peru, Lake Pupo of Bolivia are the other important lakes of South America. The highest lake in the world, which one? That is the Lake Titicaca. It is the highest lake river. Major river island, Amazon is the major river island, Anaconda and Parana, and the largest river with the more than 1,000 tributaries, about 11.5% of the world land area. It is a water river. Climate. South America has the wide variety of climate, latitude and altitude, and the proximity of the Pacific and Atlantic oceans contribute to the variation in the climate of the continent. The equator passes through the northern part of the continent and tropic and Capricorn passes through the southern part. The land mass within the two latitudes falls in the tropical zone. The border part of in the north is under the influence of tropical climate. Hence, the climate here is hot and wet. The Amazon basin experience hot and wet equator climate due to the presence of the equator. The region experiences conventionally rainfall almost every day. Heavy rainfall favor dense forest in this region. The Amazon basin has a thick forest which is the home of flora and fauna. Reptiles, birds and monkeys are common in this belt. It is 365 days for it is the rainforest also calling which one? Amazon basin forest. Conventional rainfall in the equator region is called the afternoon rainfall, tea time rainfall, 4 o'clock rainfall. The Andes mountain ranges run almost the full length of the western margin of the continent. Onshore winds bring rain and windward side, while the east of the Andes get the low rains. This is the rain shadow region and the temperate desert belt Patagonia. The northern Chile and the part of the southern Peru have hot desert Atacama type climate. Western part of the Andes and the southernmost region Chile receive rainfall throughout the year and it maximum in winter. This region has a oceanic climate. North and the central Chile coastal region has warm summers, the mild winter with the rainfall in the winter. This region has the Mediterranean type of the climate. Atacama Desert, Chile is the driest area in the earth. No rainfall for the last 200 years. Which area? Atacama Desert. The equator natural vegetation. The equatorial region of the Amazon basin has dense tropical rainfalls. It is the world's largest rainforest. Locally called slaves, evergreen trees of hardwood with dense canopy of trees are found here. Look at the picture is the first one, the Amazon basin forest. What a thick forest. It is the 365 days rainforest. Mahogany and ebony are the valuable trees in this area. The rubber trees found are here are used to make latex. Also, forestland and grasslands are found here. These are known as the llanos of in the Orinoco River Basin, Venezuela, and the Campas in the Brazilian highlands. The southeastern coast of Brazil has the tropical deciduous forest. South America land is the grassland, and Venezuela is the llanos of the land, and Campas in Brazil, Pampas of Argentina. South of Gran Chaco region is covered the temperature grassland to the largest extent known as the Pampas. The plateau of the Patagonia is the temperature desert having a scrub vegetations. On the western side of the Andes and the central region now has mixed type of forest. Temperate deciduous forests are found on the lower slopes and the coniferous forests are found in the higher slopes. In the forest, Mediterranean type of the climate which has the evergreen trees and shrubs in that vegetation. Wildlife, South America has a variety of wild animals, birds and reptiles of condor is the biggest bird of prey in the world. Rhea is a large bird which cannot fly like the ostrich in the Australia. Spider monkey, owl monkey, and squirrel monkey live in these trees. Look at the picture. These are the wild animals picture you are yourself understood in this continent. Anaconda python is the largest reptile lives in the rainforest. Puma, jaguar, lima, alpaca, these type of the animals. Iceland are well known as for the giant tortoise, and there are a spider and the insects like a testes flies which cause sleeping sickness. The Amazon River has a variety of the fish such as the stingray, electric fish, and piranha, most dangerous fish in the world. Which one is that? Piranha. River also have a crocodiles. Look at the last picture is the piranha fish, most dangerous fish in the world. Agriculture and animal husbandry. Cultivable in the South America is the limited. Barley is the 10% of its area is the under cultivation. The main region of the cultivation are the Pampas in the Argentina and Uruguay, part of Brazil highlands and east coast and central Chile. Most important crops of South America are maize, wheat, rice, coffee, cotton, sugarcane, etc. Maize is a native crop of South America and it is the chief food crop in the warm tropical region. Wheat is the grown in the cooler temperate region of Argentina and Chile. Wheat is also exported from Argentina. Potato is the widely grown in the Andes region. Rice is cultivated all along the Brazilian coast. Brazil is called coffee pot of the world. Coffee is the derived from kaffa. Fazenda is the largest coffee estate. Thousands of coffee plantation in Brazil. Rio de Janeiro is called coffee port of the world. Which one? Rio de Janeiro is called a coffee port of the world. Coca, this type of the produce in the coffee. Cotton is grown in derived slopes of Andes and it is exported to other country. Also sugar canes, it is the also producing the leading producing sugar cane and it is the second largest producer in the world. Which one? The Brazil is the leading producer of the sugar cane. Other sugar cane produced countries are Argentina, Peru, Guyana and Colombia. Grassland and pampas are ideal for the livestock, rearing livestock, including mainly horses, pigs, sheep, and cows. Argentina was once the biggest exporter in beef in the world. The pampas is fine grazing area of beef cattle, dairy cattle, and grazing pastures are richer, whereas poorer pasture on the Patagonian plains meant for sheep rearing. There are cowboys called gauchos who manage the sheep. Argentina was once the biggest exporter of beef. Argentina. It is coming in South America continent. The best fishing ground are they located in the coast of the Pacific Ocean. The Peruvian and Chile coast are the most important fishing ground. Through the Peru had been the leading fishing nation. The importance declined because the bulk of the fish caught are mainly small pelagic fishes which are used for making fertilizer. It is used for what? Fertilizer. Chile catch is the almost same as the Canada's, but mostly it is used for industrial purposes and not for food. Lake Titicaca and River Amazon are important places of freshwater fishing. These are the agriculture and animal husbandry of the sheep, sheep rearing, cows rearing, and the fishing is the main in that. Population. The inhabitants of South America belongs to mixed racial groups. Amazon Indians and Indica Indians are natives of the South America who settled before the arrival of Europeans. European came in the search of gold, later settled here. Who is that? Amazon Indian and Indica Indians are the native of the South America. After who came? The Europeans settled. Slaves were brought from Africa to work in plantations. The slaves they bought. Who is bought? The European bought the Africans for plantation work. The intermarriage among this group from mixed races. Intermarriage between African and after the intermarriage among these groups form mixed races. South America registers a much higher percentage of the urbanization, that is the 80%, than any other countries in the world, 47% average. The highest urban population is in Uruguay and the lowest population in the Guyana. The dense forest of Amazon, Andes Mountain, desert and the Atacama and the Patagonia is very separately inhabited. Grand Choco and Guyana Highlands are also sparsely inhabited. Most of the population is concentrated along the coast, like big cities and ports like Buenos Aires, Rio de Janeiro, and Valparaiso, Sao Paulo, etc. Inhabitants is mainly found in the coastal belt. Central part of the continent is in thinly inhabited. Population of South America is mainly concentrated in the coastal areas, but the central continent is less concentrated, so it is called hollow continent. South America register birth rate similarly to the world's 21 per thousand average, but the death rate is 6, is less than the world's average 9 per thousand. Therefore, the rate of natural increase of population in the rate of natural increase of population in South America is the higher than the world.